Hi, you guys. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 9th. It is Text Analysis Day. So I just want to briefly go over your assignment and then review last week's assignment real quick. A lot of people lost some points due to following directions, and I just want to point a couple things out. So again, I'll keep this even shorter than yesterday. So first thing that you're going to see on your Google Classroom today for Thursday is, again, reminding you that it's Text Analysis Day, and these are the layers of the atmosphere that we're working on. Today's assignment is to watch this screencast, thank you, and complete assignment 0 to 8. So I'll show you that in just a moment. Let's go back to last week for a second. Last Thursday, Text Analysis Day. This was the assignment on last Thursday. It was a seasons text analysis, and there was a link provided to you as to where to get the answers from. So your document last week looks like this. It was 0 to 4, seasons text analysis. There were pre-reading questions, during reading questions, and then after reading to help you think about the things you read, not just find it in the text. So one of the first ways that a lot of people lost points was just this highlighting of your answer. Please make sure you read all directions. Following directions and completing things in detail is a life skill and will help you no matter what classes you take or what job that you have. Otherwise, each question was worth a few points. So number 1 is a pre-reading. This is just to get your mind working. So everybody did okay on that one. And I realized that when we first assigned this, there was a number 2 that looked very similar. So we tried to copy that before it got shared. But don't worry, number 1 and number 2, if you have that version, were the same question. So nobody lost any points there. Numbers 2 through 7 were during reading. It means you're using the text to answer those questions. They went in order of the text, not trying to trip you up, trying to get you to read and really think about it. Everybody did pretty well on number 2, the misconception, and number 3, the tilt of the earth, kind of asking you questions to repeat information, hoping you'll remember it better. Number 4, the solstice is the position of the sun when it's closest to one of the poles. And then this number 5, the sun's rays strike the Earth's surface most at the equator. Those were just right from the text in sentences. There was then a paragraph about equinoxes in which you could have listed any 3 facts. So everybody did well there as long as you did them. Number 7, I got a lot of comments that day that there was a video not working, and we know that the one video did not work. The directions state what you see in green here to watch the video at the bottom of the page called Why Do We Have Seasons? That video gave you the answer. He shined a flashlight on a piece of paper to show you how the light rays are affected by the angle. So if the flashlight was right on, direct, or what those rays looked like when that flashlight was tilted. If you didn't see that, you really do need to follow directions and watch that video. It's only a couple minutes long to really see the effect of the light due to a tilt. Number 8 and number 9. As long as you were fairly close on these, because they are harder questions. After reading questions don't always come just word for word from the text or paragraph information. They're things you really have to think about. So as long as you gave those a pretty good shot, you did all right. I just wanted to make sure that you remember that if you're confused about a video or a link or a podcast, that you do not just put the video doesn't work and think that you're going to get a point or points for that answer. You need to contact me and get clarification, which many of you did. I really appreciate all your efforts. So this was last week's. So today you're going to do somewhat of the same thing. It's going to look like this. It'll say 0 to 8. It will say similar directions, answer the questions as you read, and then highlight your answers. So you have one pre-reading question, and then you have just a few during reading and only one after reading question today. So exact same format. Hopefully you're getting used to that. The article that's attached for you to get the text from looks like this. It says Our Atmosphere, Many Layers, has an introduction here. Now you guys are getting this as a Google Doc, so you should be able to do the Google Read Write if you would like to and have it read to you, or you could save it as a PDF if you are familiar with the Kami extension or app and having it read to you that way. So any of those would be great ways to read through this and answer those quick questions here. You can see there's not that many. If you have any questions, please reach out. I will talk to you later. Have a great rest of your day.